Are you trying to figure out how to structure your new business as a sole proprietorship or an LLC? If that's you, this video is for you. I'm going to show you the differences between both and then walk you through the steps in how to create an LLC. Does that sound good? Let's just dive right in. Let me get on the computer here. So you're in that space right now where you're trying to figure out between a sole proprietorship and an LLC. We've all been in that situation when we're first starting out. And there's a few differences between both. So I want you to understand that you have to choose what's best for you. Don't always go off other people's opinions. Choose what's best for you. A sole proprietorship, at the end of the day, when you file as a sole proprietorship, that means the owner of that business is strictly responsible for everything. Taxes, lawsuits, and you're not really protected. Because at the end of the day, guys, we never think about the worst case scenarios where, say something happens in your business where you get sued. Since you're just a sole proprietor, you're on the hook for everything. And they could come after your actual assets, your personal bank accounts, everything like that. And you don't really want that. And when you file as a sole proprietorship for your taxes, you're literally just filing on your own personal social security number. That's how that one works. So that's a sole proprietorship in quick 60 seconds right there. But now we're going to talk about a limited liability corporation, or as most of you heard, an LLC. With the LLC, what that does, it provides you more protection as the owner. So as the owner, your assets are separate from the business, where a sole proprietor, you're combined. So since you're separate as an LLC, now say something bad happens, once again, worst case scenario, they can't go after your own personal cars, your personal bank accounts, your home, or anything like that. And when you file with the government for every year, it's separate as well. It's going on your tax return, but it's not. You're completely separate from your business. It's still attached to you, but it's separate. So that's the clip notes for an LLC. So you can either be a sole proprietor where you're on the hook and your personal assets, everything like that, are all on the hook for your business. Or an LLC where you have more protection, where if something does happen, your personal assets, your home or anything like that can't be touched. It protects you guys. So my personal opinion and what I always recommend is start an LLC, a limited liability corporation. By doing so, you'll get the extra protections to protect yourself in business. Because at the end of the day, guys, we wish we could predict everything that will happen in our businesses. You literally can't. So that being said, always plan for the worst so you're always protected. I don't want to see you get hemmed up or lose personal assets or get your personal bank accounts garnished because of something that happened with your business. None of us would be happy with that. So now that you have a little gist of what each one does, sole proprietorship, you're on the hook. It's literally you. You're combined with it. There's no separation. In LLC, you're separate from your business, so that way you're protected and you have more taxable stuff you can do as well, with write-offs, everything like that. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. I'm going to show you how to start your LLC. Does that sound good? All right, let's get on the computer here. Let me pull up the internet. All right. So, we're on Google. What I want you to do on Google right now is type in Secretary of State with your state name. So if you're in Florida, say Florida. If you're in Georgia, say Georgia. If you're in California, say California at the end of this. I'm in Florida, so Secretary of State, Florida. Bam. So right there. And just so you know, if it pops up how it just did for me on Google, where it says Division of Corporations, just click that one from Google. There we go. Now, since we're a new business and we're trying to start this, you're going to then go in and click New Florida, no, we're not. New Florida Limited Partner, no. Let's see. Where's that? There we go. I just had a mind gap right there. Mine was, let me go back. If you're in Florida, guys, click the New Florida LLC. I didn't see that. I was having a moment. So New Florida LLC, scroll down, file, there we go. Since we're new, I have accept, start new filing. All right, guys. So, as you can see, by setting up your LLC, you're going to have to pay $125. That's it. But every year you'll have to pay to, in essence, keep your business open with the state. So every year when you file, you're going to pay about $125. All right. So fill out where your business is located, mailing address, everything like that. And as a registered agent, you can list yourself as a registered agent. That's okay. And a registered agent, all that means is when something has to get sent to your company, like legal documents or anything like that, you're able to be the one responding back to those inquiries. So literally, some people, they have family members or friends be the registered agent. Believe it or not, you can do it yourself. It's okay. Just fill out all the information correctly and make sure you have everything right, guys, because this is getting filed with your state. So as soon as you're done, you'll hit continue. It'll ask you to pay, and then you're finally registered with your local state. And since you're registered with your local state, now you can go to the irs.gov and get your EIN number, employer identification number. It's literally like a social security number, but for your business. That's how I chop it up, and I tell people that's literally all it is. And with that, once you get that, you're able then to go get your business bank account and start making money for your business as a limited liability corporation or as a LLC. That's all I got for you guys. This was a quick video before I go to the gym here. And I just want to make sure you guys have everything you need to start your business off in the right direction. Believe it or not, a lot of people get frozen in this specific topic because they don't know which one to go with. Guys, at the end of the day, there's so many different resources online to search. You just have to see what fits you. You can do a sole proprietorship where it's cheaper. I think in the state of Florida, it's only like $50 or something to start a sole proprietorship. But just because it's cheaper does not mean it's best. Because it's cheaper, but you don't have the same protections as you do with a limited liability corporation. Just keep that in mind. You do whatever you want to do. If you enjoyed this video, just hit the like and subscribe, because I'm going to be walking you guys through how to start businesses, how to get customers for your businesses, how to market your businesses in ways other companies aren't doing. And if that makes you happy or that gets you excited, hit the follow, just subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell notification, because guys, we're here and I'm here to take you from thinking about a business to having people paying your business and making income from it. I'll see you guys in the next one, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you guys later.